The Classified Project. Book 1 of Realm series. Written by Harsha S.R. Narrated by Parvati, a auto-generated voice from Google Play. This is a work of fiction. Similarities to real people, places, or events are entirely coincidental. Copyright at Harsha S.R. All rights reserved by Harsha S.R. This audiobook, or any portion of it, may not be reproduced or used in any manner whatsoever without the express written permission of the respective writer. Also by Harsha S.R. The Hooligan Turned Holy Man. Chapter 1, A Midnight Call from the President. It was 1:45 a.m. when James Bauer's cell phone rang. Cursing the midnight intruder, he picked it up. The next moment, he heard a serious female voice directing him to hold the call for the President of the United States of America. James froze for a second. He had no connection with the White House whatsoever. Although he and the current president, Pelvan Palmer, were undergraduate mates, he didn't expect his old friend to remember him after so many years. While he was wondering about the same, a hard voice spoke. "Jamie, my buddy, I guess this is a surprise call." James recovered quickly and flushed like a young girl despite being 60 years old. Inwardly, he recalled young Palmer calling him Jamie during their younger days. "It sure is, Mr. President. I am happy you still remember me. May I know what this call is about?" President Palmer laughed aloud. "Wouldn't you like to know? You were curious in our younger days. I hope it is the same as well." James blinked twice and replied, "Interesting choice of words, Mr. President. Of course, I am as curious as ever. I hope being curious is good. As good as it can ever be. Well, let me get to the point. I am heading a highly classified operation called EMIB, which stands for Exploration of Multiverse for Intelligent Beings, and I wish to recruit you as my chief scientist." President Palmer's voice suddenly became serious. "I hope this is not a bluff call, Mr. President." James almost stammered after hearing about the classified operation EMIB and the term multiverse, which had a lot to do with him. Palmer replied, "The President of the United States never bluffs. I mean what I said. Now, grab your travel case and be at the White House at 10 a.m. tomorrow for a confidential meeting. I can assure you this is going to be as curious as it can get, and I want you to be a part of it." James heard the click sound, and the connection went dead. For the next 5 minutes, James sat on the cushioned sofa and began to analyze the call. He realized that he had not accomplished anything notable, considering multiverse, as he had expected. Presently, he saw the opening of a window.